Dube AgriZone is a unique development that brings together the entire agricultural value chain in one place. It was developed to grow KwaZulu-Natal's high-value perishable sector for products such as cucumbers, tomatoes, and cut flowers for the local and export markets. The precinct affords these farmers with the world-class packhouses which take care of their processing, grading, packaging, and labeling of their produce. In addition to this, Dube AgriZone is home to 16 hectares of high-tech glass greenhouses that produce over 40 tons of fresh produce per week, allowing farmers on site to produce high-value crops throughout the year.
So Payel, this facility is an 8-hectare facility where we are growing cucumbers for Woolworths. As you can see, this crop is probably 2 months old now, and everything is hydroponically irrigated using rainwater, which we harvest from the rooftop of these greenhouses. So these facilities has got all the climate control features. We've got screens, we've got air vents, we've got air circulation fans, we've got fogging systems and lighting, just to make sure that we create a conducive environment for this type of plants.
To enable this large-scale production, the precinct is equipped with large rainwater harvesting ponds for irrigation purposes, as well as solar arrays to fulfill the power needs of the entire operation.
So the majority of energy we use it in our pack houses, just to make sure that we offset a little bit of energy that we're drawing from the grid. So we have approximately 950 kilowatt hour peak solar panels. That's the maximum that we can get from our panels.
Dube AgriZone enables farmers to use its state-of-the-art micropropagation laboratory that produces disease-free, true to the type plants which outgrow the disease and give them higher yields.
So the entire production process takes up to a year. So between subcultures, so between working with the plants, they then housed inside here, which is the grow room. As you can see, the grow room has artificial lighting. That's what the plants use to survive. The temperature, humidity within this room is also controlled so that the plants are kept at a standard microenvironment.
So our nursery employs approximately 17 people. 5 of them are permanently based here, and 15 or so are based outside. They use brush cutters, chainsaws to make sure that we keep the entire Dube TradePort precinct in good condition. So the alu, we use it for our landscaping purposes. I'm sure you've seen it when we're entering Dube TradePort on M65. It's a very succulent, delicate plant. It's water resistant, and it doesn't like a lot of water. There is a potential to replicate a similar project around South Africa, where it brings together young up-and-coming farmers who can produce similar products collectively and supply one market.
And it's been such an exciting experience to be taken through the full circle of how our vegetables are produced and arrive at our stores ready for us to purchase. It was exciting for me to see, cucumbers that I've never seen before grown on such a large scale. Right from them being handled as baby seedlings down to packaging and being sent off to our stores like Woolies and Pick n Pay. So it's been an awesome experience to see how this all fits in to make our lives more convenient.